Good morning, students. These days we are doing our chapter tenses, and you know very well that we have finished our present tense and past tense. So, from today, we are going to start the future tense, and we know very well that in future tense also there are four forms: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. So today we shall discuss about simple future. So what are we going to discuss today? It is simple future tense. So first of all, let us see what is the formation of simple future tense, how it is framed, and what type of sentences are here. So see, in future simple future tense, the formation is subject plus will or shall plus base form of the verb means present form of the verb means first form of the verb. Subject, will, shall and first form of the verb. Shall or will we use generally shall with I and we and will with all others. See here examples. Just as affirmative means positive statements are given. See on the top. Affirmative. I shall go. See it is. I shall go. We shall go. You will go. He will go. They will go. So see here, I and we, they are with shall, and you, he and they, it is will there. Now see the negative. In negative we have to use the not with will and shall. So what is the answer then? I shall not go, we shall not go, you will not go, he will not go and they will not go. Very easy. We have to add not only with will and shall. Now see the interrogative formation. Interrogative means we have to make the question. Then what is written here? See, shall I go? Shall we go? Will you go? Will he go and will they go? And in the and it is question mark everywhere, right? Then negative interrogative, we know very well that it will be question also and it will be not also. So shall I not go? Shall we not go? Will you not go? Will he not go? Will they not go? Okay, I think the formation is clear to everyone. So see here what we are using. We are using shall with I and we and will with all other subjects. Shall with I and we and will with all other subjects. Now see the second part on 23 number it is the uses of simple future tense. Uses of simple future tense, where it is used. Now see, this tense is used to express an action that will take place in the future. Future means today is present and the next day that will come, that is future. The next moment, the next hour, the next minutes that are coming that we have not seen, that is future. So to express pure future, shall is used with pronouns of the first person I and we and will with all other subjects. As we have discussed it earlier also, I and we use shall. I and we shall play in the evening. and you, he, she, they, it may be any, will play in the evening. Okay? So these sentences are merely a fact. It is true. Now, I will or we will are used with the ideas of determination or promise. I will or we will are used with the idea of determination or promise. Means if any promise is there, any determination is there, we will use will with I and we. See, the reverse are there. If any determination is there, if any promise is there, then we will use will with I and we. We will fight to the last man. It is our determination. I will open a school for the blind. It is also. In the same way, shall is often used to imply promise or threat with other subjects, just as Gopal, he, she, etc. You shall get whatever you want. So it's a promise. He shall not leave this place. It's a threat. You shall get what you want. It is promise. He shall not leave this place. So it's a threat. Shall I or shall we are used to begin offers or help or suggestions. Shall I or shall we are used to begin offer or help or suggestions. Shall I open the window? Shall we start now? It's offer. Shall I open the window? It's a help, offer of help. Shall we start now? It's a suggestion. Okay? So things are clear. In general, we have to use shall with I and we. Shall with I and we, but if any determination or promise is there, then we will use we will with I and we, and any promise or threat is there, then shall with he and you. Means Gopal, he, she, etc. The reverse will be there. Also, to offer help or suggestion, shall will be used with I and we. Shall I open the window? Shall we start now? So these are question and offer, suggestion. Okay? So I think it's clear to you. Now try to solve an exercise on the basis of these. Let us see on the page. And it's exercise 66 on the top. See? He dash me 20 next month. A general process is there. No promise, no threat, no determination, nothing. Just though he will be 20 next month. I shall be 58 tomorrow. Dash I carry this bag for you? It's a offer. So shall I carry this bag for you? You will not succeed unless you work hard. You will not succeed unless you work hard. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will inform you of his arrival. She will be a teacher very soon. Now see the next. You will think differently from this when you read this book. Obviously, we shall not be able to go out if it is raining. 11 number. The defaulters will be punished. Number 11. We shall have a game of cards. Number 12. You will fail if you do not work harder. 13. The train will start at 10:30. 14th, we shall be free by noon. And 15. These plants will grow in due course. So, it was about the simple future tense, and I hope you are able to solve this exercise. And please solve this exercise in your notebook and notebook both. Okay, it's bye for today.